Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the oil maintenance light on your Lexus GS 350. This simple process can be done in just a few moments after your oil change. First, make sure your car's ignition is completely off. Then, find the trip meter reset button, usually near your odometer. Finally, cycle your display until it shows trip A. Now, let's begin the reset. With your foot off the brake pedal, press and hold the trip meter reset button. While still holding it, press your vehicle's start button 2 times. This will turn the ignition to the on position without actually starting the engine. Keep holding that button down for the next step. As you continue to hold the trip reset button, watch your multi-information display. After about 10 seconds, you should see a message indicating resetting oil maintenance data. Keep holding until this message clears or the display shows all zeros. Once that happens, you can release the button and the reset is complete. To verify the reset, go ahead and start your Lexus GS 350's engine. The oil maintenance light should now be off. If it remains on, simply repeat these steps from the beginning, ensuring you follow each instruction precisely. This entire process is quite fast, usually taking less than 60 seconds to complete successfully.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.